Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Rose apples are in season now. So we're gonna make a simple and delicious sweet with this. We got this beautiful rose apples from our neighbor James' uncle and auntie. It looks so beautiful in color and it is very tasty to have just like that. So first we cut these apples and discard the seeds from it. Now add this cut fruit into a blender and blend it. You don't have to add any water to it because this fruit contains a lot of water inside. Now let's make some cornflour slurry to make the sweet thick. Now the blended puree is also ready. Take that and add it to a pan. Heat this mixture on a low to medium flame. And when it starts bubbling, add sugar. Mix it and dissolve the sugar completely. When the sugar is dissolved, add the cornflour slurry and continuously mix it. Now the mixture will get thick. When it reaches this consistency, add some ghee into it. Now the sweet we're gonna make is in a halwa texture, and if you want your halwa to be a bit more chewy, you can add some more ghee and mix it for some more time. Now I'm turning off the flame at this point and I'm transferring it into a greased bowl. Give it a tap and cool it down in room temperature for around 3 to 4 hours. The halwa will set when it cools down. You can slowly demold it. Cut this into desired shapes and it's ready to serve. So if you're a fan of sweets which have a slight tangy taste, this one is perfect for you. I adore lemon bars, but they are a pain to prepare. And these rose apple halwa have a similar flavor and can be made in a snap. So do try out this sweet as you have this fruit in abundance now. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.